You guys, in this very video I'm going to be walking you through on how to make money with arbitrage trading using both the centralized exchange and centralized exchange. And for the matter of fact, this very arbitrage strategy I'm about to show you made me over 31 USDT in a span of, like, let's say 2 to 1 hour or thereabout. So this should be very easy to understand and probably implement as well to see results like this. And if I should probably refresh, you get to realize that it is still a valid gains. This will show you that what I'm about to show you actually do work if you do it exactly how you be told in the video. But keep in mind, all of these things are not guaranteed. It is absolutely not a guaranteed way to make money for real. It might work for you, it might definitely not even work at all. So try to do more research and try to do some additional research if you're looking to take decisions based off of it, as it is not meant to give you any stable source of income. And in overall, treat it as an educational video. Do not take it as a financial advice, as it is not meant to give you any stable source of income. So having putting out that disclaimer out of the way, let's get straight into the video and let me walk you through on how to do it. So first off, when it comes to centralized exchange and decentralized exchange, because like I've told you, we'll be doing all of this based off of both centralized and decentralized. So when it comes to centralized, we are talking about the likes of Bybit, Binance, and Mexi, or any centralized exchange you could ever think of. But when it comes to decentralized, we are talking about trust wallets, phantom wallets. There are different wallets you can probably use to do decentralized, matter of fact. But in this case, we're going to be using Binance and Trust wallets for the aspect of this very video to do both the decentralized and centralized. So if you don't have any of these exchange, any of these wallets, go over to your respective app store and get it downloaded to your device. So basically, once you get all these wallets downloaded to your device, it is time to spot the opportunity. That's where arbitrage trading opportunity comes in, because right now you cannot do anything other than spotting opportunities. Opportunity is going to now give you a clue to know how to go about this. This will guide you ahead of the whole situation. So let me go over to this application called coinmarketcap.com, and I'm going to be showing you how to use it to spot these opportunities. Hopefully we could find one and probably take an advantage of it. So guys, this is coinmarketcap.com. So once you are at coinmarketcap.com, you're going to now scroll down. Not really scrolling down, you're going to see where it says BAC, and there are also a couple of interfaces there, like All Network, Solana. And if you scroll to the right hand side, you're going to see like a bunch of network, a bunch of crypto networks. There are literally hundreds if not thousands of them. So that's the more reason I'm going to select BAC in this scenario. So click on it and then you wait for the interface to pretty much open up. Once the interface is open up, your obligation is to pick any crypto from here. These are all cryptocurrencies built on different ecosystem, but BAC is implemented in the ecosystem. There are a bunch of them. So choose any one out of this list and then watch how you can go about spotting the differences. So in this case, based off of this video, we're going to be going for this very one called Link. The more reason I'm going for that Link is that, as you can see, Link is ranked at number 2 and it has over 6.4 billion market capitalization. And if you should probably click on it, you get to realize that the volume there is probably over millions, if not billion. So Link is probably very reputable in this situation. So the volume is about 368 million, as you can see there. So this kind of coin looks very good, and it might possibly have the differences. That's the more reason you need to click on markets. This will help you confirm if the differences is there or not. The differences is the arbitrage opportunity we are looking for here. So once you are here, you're going to now check on Bybit, because like I've told you, we're going to be doing it based off of Bybit and Trust Wallet. So on Bybit, as you can see, the price of Link is at 8.55, right? So we're going to be looking for that other one called Trust Wallet as well. So you probably need to go to the second page. There are a bunch of like pages there. So still look up the second page. If the exchange is not on the first one, so I'm still looking. I need to see some kind of like a Trust Wallet exchange, either PancakeSwap or Uniswap or the likes. So still on the fourth one, no results. I'm specifically looking for like PancakeSwap. So that's the more reason I'm still trying to navigate to see if I can spot one. So I think PancakeSwap is not on the list. This is where you will need to look up another one. Don't worry, opportunities to come, but you just have to. Okay, right now, after so much back and forth, up till the 13th page, we found an opportunity on PancakeSwap. The price is currently at 8.58. Remember, the one on Bybit was at 8.55. So this probably tell you that Bybit is trading the link way lower, and this PancakeSwap via Trust Wallet is the one trading at a much higher price. So which practically now give us a clue to know where to buy low and sell high, because the overall aim of arbitrage is to spot an inefficiency like this, spot differences in prices like this, and pretty much implement those differences. And that's how you are going to turn your smaller amount to some substantial amount, or even more, depending on how you want to do it. Anyways, enough of all the talkings. Let us go through the implementation phase. And if you're watching the video up to this moment, do drop a like. It will really help out with the channel. We're trying to get to 1,000, or we've already got to 1,000. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. Okay, so anyways, the mentorship is still ongoing on this very arbitrage trading. For those of you that want to get access to the mentorship, send a DM to my WhatsApp. I'm going to guide you through on how to get access to the mentorship. It is pretty much very straightforward. All you're going to be doing in the mentorship is to learn how to spot opportunities, arbitrage opportunities, as well as implementing those opportunities. But along the line, in some days, we do spot trading along the line, which is also good if you're looking to diversify. Anyways, let me now buy the link, because the overall concept says buy link. We're buying at 8.555, right? So that's where you need to put in your price and wait for its execution. Once the price has been executed, that's when you need to now transfer it over to PancakeSwap. I'm being a little too fast here, so I just need to chill out. And once you transfer it, you're going to be selling it on the other way around there. So the price that was shown to us on coin market cap was 8.55. So always stick to the price you've seen. All the prices you've seen, stick to all those prices, because that's what is going to help you to, you know, scale up from this. So let me put in a buy limit there, and I'm going to be waiting for a couple of minutes. This should take a few minutes and it should be executed. So guys, after a couple of minutes, the link USDT is heading towards being executed. So that means we should be expecting the execution in no time. This will enable us to now look for ways to transfer it over to the other market and sell, and that's how we're going to be returning our outcome. The outcome can be of good, can be of bad, so don't expect positive outcome, do not expect negative outcome all the time. It might vary depending on how the market works in that current situation via the arbitrage. Because matter of fact, even at the theory of the market says that the market is not efficient if there is arbitrage opportunities like this. So that means these opportunities has to be efficient for the market to be efficient. Or will I say this opportunity has to not be there for the market to be efficient. So this do not probably last for a longer time. So try to be fast if you're doing it, so that way you cannot, and you will not definitely get in on any sort of like market being efficient, because once the market is efficient, the overall opportunity is gone, for the matter of fact. So try to be fast, and if you have a good smartphone, if you have a good internet connection, that should be like to your advantage, because it will help you scale from this even more. So anyways, we successfully, after a couple of minutes, I think it was successfully executed. So the aim is to now transfer it over to the other way around, and that's how we're going to be selling it and see how it goes. So I'm going to be clicking on assets, and let me now click on transfer, because you cannot transfer from your unified trading account. You can only transfer from your funding account to an external wallet. So I'm going to click on transfer, and I'll be transferring from the initial unified trading account to the funding account. So I'm going to switch up these arrows so it can be from unified to funding. I'm going to now select the coin to be linked, then I'm going to click on max, then confirm the overall thing, and it should now be available, which I'm going to now click on deposit and click on crypto withdrawal, or rather withdrawal via the on-chain crypto. Then I'll quickly open up Trust Wallet. So this is when I'm going to now click on manage crypto, so I can copy my unique link wallet. So I'm going to now select link there. I'm going to now click on receive, and as you can see, the price is at 8.58. This is absolutely insane. You can see the differences. So this is what people pretty much do to take an advantage of cryptocurrency without having to do a whole lot of work. So now I'm going to now select the link. So I'll be withdrawing via on-chain, which I'm going to paste that network there, and the blockchain doesn't correspond. What the hell? And this is where most thing always gets stuck, because right now there's nothing to do other than just looking for another opportunity entirely. Because if it doesn't execute, if it doesn't transfer, there is no way you're going to be selling it on the other way around and retain your profit. And it should be very, very hard to transfer, since the blockchain doesn't correspond. So that's the more reason you still need to look for another opportunity. But right now there's nothing to do other than selling off that cryptocurrency immediately. If you found out that the opportunity will not go through, you just have to sell it off and retain your overall capital. So that way you will not get to incur any losses in some scenarios. So now I'm going to be heading back to my Bybit. Let me try to sell it off. So that way I will get to retain my initial collateral. And I think the market has even gone to be efficient. This is one thing I always emphasize on. The market has eventually goes to be efficient. So I think this overall situation will not go through. So I'm going to have to sell it back to the USDT.